This guy just wants to play all the time. So there, this is my dog. He's called Beamer. Okay guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. I think this one is going to be special. A lot more effort went into this one, and it's something that I was thinking about doing for quite some time now. If you guys are subscribed already, you're going to probably already know that we've had some pretty terrible weather. Freezing. Out here, freezing our tits off still. It's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. From when I started doing videos all the way through to right now, which absolutely sucked. So, we actually got some sunshine, it was sunny, it was warm, and I was in shorts for the first time in 2018, which is great. Filmed over about 3 days, also like a week in between. Like almost around 2 weeks. But I wanted to make sure we filmed it right, so we gave it a break after doing the first one. So this is it. This is what you guys are gonna get. So yeah, you may have seen it, how the Nismo, because the Nismo cars have these really cool black headlights as opposed to the chrome ones that come standard on the 370. It's a thing. People do change their headlights, they crack them open and do all that gizmos and stuff. So we thought, well, if they can do it, we can do it. By me, obviously, I mean, well, I had help with Jamie Cooper again. He's the guy. I put this off from the day of getting the car. I knew the headlights were gonna go darker. The idea of doing that myself was just terrifying. So yeah, if you guys have ever wanted to know how you crack open headlights and paint them to make them cool, or even those like little circle halos, they look pretty cool. What we're going to do is wire them up to be the indicators, so we have like an indicator, and then the black headlight, the red click that subscribe button if you haven't already, because it really does mean a lot to see them subscribers jumping up. It means I think that you guys give a shit about watching what I'm doing, and it really eggs us on to carry on with the modifications. So that's always a thumbs up from everyone involved. So cracking open the 370Z headlights to paint them black, make them look fancy.
Oh, you think you fancy?
Let's just roll straight into it, and I'll catch you guys after this video. That was pretty much it. It definitely looks a hell of a lot better if you ask me. Was I worried about it all breaking and stuff? Yes. There was a point pretty much after the first one As you can see, we couldn't fit the headlight into the oven, so we had to, you know, we had to make our own oven. Hence why there's a big cardboard box with a heat gun going inside it. But it did the job. If it's something that you fancy doing, hopefully this video will be helpful or at least entertaining. I know that these videos aren't really a how-to video because we do kind of like close-ups and sort of document how we do it, because there is 1,000,001 how-to videos on YouTube and we want to be different, you know. Why else would you guys subscribe if all I did was the same stuff? But I don't, so definitely subscribe to the channel. Like the video if you like the video, dislike it if you think it could have been done better or there's something that you think isn't right and you should have done this. Leave me a comment down below, be that a good one or a bad one. The bad ones I'll just probably ignore. The good ones I always give a thumbs up, I like. It always makes me feel good when I look at my phone, I'm at work, bored on my tree, and then someone commented and said this is awesome. You guys make it totally worth doing. So thank you again so much. The reloaded stickers, I still have about 5 of these left, so if you want a reloaded sticker, it looks kind of like this, just let me know. They're absolutely free, no charge. You can put them on your computer, you could stick them onto your computer screen if you're completely weird. I don't mind, do what you want with them. This guy did it. If you want to see more of my beautiful face, just subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. I have never said this before. It's not something I ask you guys to do, but apparently it does really help to let you guys know that I've released a video. That would be awesome, so then at least you guys will never miss a step for the 370 because it's coming back, and I know in some of the comments people want to see more 370 content. Well, guess what? We've got plenty more to do for you guys. So yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. Peace out. Now I'm just thinking, did I turn the microphone on? Well, I really hope I did. Subscribe and like the video, thank you. I totally said on.